In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to manually enable pairing mode for the YD03 wireless earbuds. You probably got these from Alibaba or the Temu app here. It comes in a box like this here. It's the one with the green light indicator, these right here, okay? So you took them out the case and they don't go into pairing mode. And in order to get them into pairing mode, I'll show you how to do that. I'll be pairing them up with a Samsung phone and let's do it. So let's just say they are in the case itself and you take them out of the charging case. Now, what's going to usually happen is when they're both set into the case itself and you take them out together at the same time, they are going to start flashing a couple of times and enter into pairing mode. If that doesn't happen, you're going to force them to shut down by long pressing on the touch controls. You'll hear the power off female voice prompt. So go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and do that for you now. So I'll hold it down and just wait for that, listen to that. Okay, so you're gonna hear her say power off. And the next thing you wanna do now is while in the off state, you're gonna hold down the touch controls, two of them together at the same time, and hold it down until they both light up in green together, okay? So that's going to have them sync into each other and enter pairing mode. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Hold it down like this here. All right, and let it go when you see this. And just wait for one side to enter into pairing mode. Usually it would be the left side that goes into the pairing mode. Now, once you got it to do this here, that means they're both on, they're both sync into each other. And the left side, which is the host earbud, is in pairing mode. So whether you have a Samsung phone or an Android phone, you're gonna look for the Bluetooth toggle. You'll long press it. That'll take you into the main settings of the Bluetooth settings. For Samsung phones, you might wanna go into details and make sure you get into the main Bluetooth settings of your phone itself, all right? So turn it on now, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And you'll see YD03, that's the name of these earbuds here. When you tap on it, it's gonna say pairing. And for most Android phones, you'll get a pairing request. You'll either press pair, yes, or allow. It'll say connecting, and you'll see that it is connected. The volume should show up. And this is going to apply for Android phones and Samsung phones. And to know if it's fully connected, you will see that there is no blinking lights. When they're connected, there is no blinking green lights, all right? So like and sub if this guide helped you. Also make sure they are not connected to another device that might be preventing it from connecting to your phone. Like and sub.